Hi, this is Melanie Queen with Queen's Most Accounting, and this month we've been going over uh, how to review for your year-end taxes and reports. This week we're going over vendors. It's very important that you go to expenses and then vendors in QuickBooks and you review your vendors and you make sure that all your vendors that would need a 1099 have so like for example, this Robinson and Associates, say they are a small business owner. um, Looks like they probably have, Robinson's the owner, and then they've got some associates. uh, they might be an S corp, and so they would be exempt from having to do this, but you would want to do this anyways, just in case they aren't an S corp. You would track them for 1099, and then you would collect from them their W-9, and you would enter right here their business ID number. Now, some businesses have EINs, and that means that they either have an LLC that's an S corp, or possibly a C corp, which if they're an S corp or C corp, they will not need a 1099 at the end of the year, but it's best to have the W-9 on hand to show that they don't need the 1099 at the end of the year. And then if they are just a sole proprietor and they're using their social, they are going to most likely need a 1099. If you have more questions about who could possibly need a 1099 from your vendors, I do have another video regarding 1099s and who would need them on my website already. So please feel free to review that, because I'm not going to go over in full detail on who would need one and who would not and how to avoid it. So that is that. So then you would put their number here, and then you would save it, and then when it's time for for the 1099s to be sent out by the end of January every year, then you would be able to do that. And I would go do that for each of your vendors. I would just go line by line and think, okay, do I is this going to be a small business? Do I need to potentially pay them a 1099 or send them a 1099? Excuse me. And if you paid them over $600 or more in a year, they're required to get a 1099. Most likely, if they're an LLC or sole proprietor. So thank you for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.